this. Okay, yeah, CPI was at 830, everyone. So. Wow, well, that move was crazy overnight. So we are in straight all-time highs right now. Interesting. It's not really what you like, to be honest with you. Let's just see what market wants to do. Welcome, I see some new guys in here. Welcome, welcome. Can y'all hear my dumbass dog? Just play it safe since we're at all-time highs is kind of what I'm thinking. I need to see like an inverse of like a 5-minute gap or something to give me any confluence to any other side.
Alright, that's 2 days in a row. We are done before market.
better AC. I'm not really talking. You all still hear me? Can y'all hear me now? Hello, hello, hello. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna hypothetically take this when this closes, but I'm waiting for the 5 minutes since we're at all-time highs to close below, and that's why I didn't take that. Literally instant stop loss. There's so many 15-minute fair value gaps. Holy shit. Oh, fuck, man. Let's go. See if we can get the order block entry here. Okay, perfect. Should react off of this order block, hopefully. Tapping back into the 5 minute. It's a shitty close. God, bro. Oh my god, man. This is ridiculous. Dude, are we serious, man? My Wi-Fi just cut out, dude. Oh my god. Okay, well, that's what it is. Okay, Loki just got saved, dude. Oh my god. I was 1000% gonna take that. Y'all still hear me? Okay, I think we're good. Where are my stops, yo? The fuck? Oh. Okay, TB smash, boys. I don't know what the fuck just happened. How much did I just move right there? Okay, perfect. Did I copy trade? Yes, it did. Okay, that was so cooked, bro. I don't know what the fuck. That was the weirdest session I've ever seen, bro. My limit orders aren't being put in, bro. Nothing's... That was so weird. Like, it almost lagged me out as I was fucking trading. Like, what is going on, bro? W's in the fucking chat. Banger, banger, banger. Dude, I was so scared right there. I don't know what was happening, dude. I was scared it was about to just plummet down. I was gonna make way too much. So goated. That's how we do it, boys. That's how we do it. Dubs in the chat. Oh, Jack, hold on. Let me put my headset on. This kid's fishing at 9:30, bro. Gotta have respect for that kid. Jack, what's good, brother?
What's up, brother?
What's good? What's good? You catch that?
Yeah.
Fuck yes, bro. Come on, quit playing with us.
Do you have a my funded code?
Yeah, just put in code Andrew, and you should get a decent bit off, I think. Let's go, Gabe. Gabe, did you catch that too?
Another 1K day?
Yeah, Gabe's on the roll, bro. Yeah, Gabe, I saw. Were you done before? Were you done before pre-market? Fire, bro, fire. Good stuff, dude.
Wait, yeah, were you trading London?
There was a move at CPI that everyone caught. Yeah.
That discounts happen.
Yeah. Yep. I saw the dodgy trade, and I saw Riley caught like a trade for CPI too. Look at that, bro. Bottom take that, John. Could have literally entered there.
Beautiful.
I'm kind of pissed though, cause I made 770 on this account, but then I made like 580 on the rest of them. It kind of like glitched a little bit. But it's whatever. One more trade and I'll secure a 4-band payout, and then if I win that trade, and then win the next one, that'll be a 6K payout, and then if I win one more after that, that'll be a 12K payout. So if I win the next 2 trades and then possibly one more, that could be like a 12K payout. Let's go. Hey, everyone, spam up W's for a quick little video. Or no, just to everyone say, yeah, W's. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Too easy, baby. Too easy. Oh my god, my ears. Beautiful. Appreciate y'all.
So what's your like weekly profile looking like?
Dude, I barely even check the weekly. I'm not gonna lie. Let me see. The only time I check it is if we haven't put in a wick in yet, like on the. It's like we already put the wick in, but like if we've just like started the week, like if through Sunday we open like with an opening week gap, and then through Monday I see we've just straight kept going up, and I see we haven't put in a wick in at all to the bottom, then basically I will just be anticipating some sort of short like that whole week. Just passing my fun and future started plus. Let's officially got 5 accounts under your belt. Wow, good shit, Arcat. Oh, this kid just caught a fish. Let's go, dude. So what were you saying? Sorry, Jack.
Yeah, dude, it's just we're just going straight up at like all-time highs.
I mean,
like,
that's the problem with all-time highs. It's just so unpredictable. Like, obviously you can assume some sort of short at some point. But it's just like, it's kind of just hard to say, you know, because like literally anything could happen. I would say once, like, basically just assume we're going to keep running highs. At least this is what I've kind of realized in this past like 6 months. You're getting paid this week? Oh my god, Gabe, you're insane. Basically what I've just figured out kind of through these past 6 months is like, if we're just trending all-time highs, wait for some like news event like tariffs or something just to come out, like a bombing again or something like that, that'll then kind of send us into that start like short move, if that makes sense. Because like, I don't know, bro, watch the podcast I sent with Zusi. It'll kind of put things into mind of like, things don't like, as crazy it is like literally even war and like tariffs and all of that is literally just because they want the market to move. Like obviously it's also probably for other things, but like most of the time, like at least for the United States, We just want money to start getting pushed into the market or getting taken out of the market. Like, as crazy as that sounds, that's literally kind of like the whole point of like war and news and like a lot of these things is basically just to create a bunch of orders. Like right now, we're trending all-time highs. I bet so many people have bought in at like certain points, like especially right around this point. But a lot of people have bought in right around right here, right? I guarantee eventually at some point we'll get some sort of news that then crashes the market, takes out all these orders, and then we're kind of in the game of probabilities. Like, okay, if we took out these orders, do we want to keep pushing higher or do we want to keep taking more orders, if that makes sense?
Makes it so much easier on our like daily biases too, just because
Oh,
like,
yeah.
dude, recently I'm just like, holy shit, where are we going?
No, yeah, it definitely, bro, it definitely has been weird. I cannot lie.
I
But
don't remember. I think it was yesterday. It wasn't yesterday. I think it might have been sometime last week. Like I was like almost certain my bias was shorts, and we just ripped to the moon.
yeah, it's just like it just happens. I don't know. I don't know where my drawings went. Literally everything disappeared. Fuck.
Yeah, did you see that Asia move last night?
Dude, yeah, I was like, I was so confused. Like, dude, I saw someone text in the group chat like y'all seeing what's happening, and I didn't look until I saw this morning. Well, I saw a whole bunch of like the traders in our group chat like signaling this. I mean, bro, when you get a crazy move like this, literally all you have to do is just once we start trending down just slightly, and you kind of put in that top, literally just get the 50% of this, and boom, this is an easy trade every single time. That's free sauce for everybody. If you get like an insane move like this, just mark out 50% of the range, and I guarantee you can catch a move to 50% every single time. Like it just happens.
You see how
I don't know what caused that though. Does anyone know?
It was like at like 2100 or something. It's wild. It was random ass time.
Gabe, the 2K payout's gonna be insane, bro. So proud of you. Well, I heard. Did y'all hear Powell might resign? Mr.
What?
I don't know. I mean, he's kind of old. I mean, it's not really. Smash my take profit. Let's go, baby. So proud of everyone. Yeah, I talked to his. Oh yeah, you know his niece. Holy shit, Rob! What a trade, dude.
And yeah, I was just about to say. It's like a 7 OR right there.
Yeah, Gabe, can you get us some insider information on that, please?
Wait,
What-
Gabe knows personally.
What a connect, bro. I guess so. Bro, you're gonna have to like slide her in the Discord. I'm not gonna lie. That's so insane, bro. They're probably so loaded. Bro, imagine the insider trading you could do with Powell as your grandpa. Could you imagine, bro? Obviously, bro. Just have him slide you a text for what he's about to talk. Well, yeah, obviously, but you keep it on the low, though, obviously. That's jail time and a lot of it. Yeah, Unc. What are you about to talk about, Unc? Dude, I was tripping, dude, because that first move I was about to catch, dude, my Wi-Fi literally goes out, and then I perfectly was able to catch this move, and I enter, and there's no limit orders.
Yeah, your stream froze.
Yeah, I was terrified. Rob, come on up, brother. Rob, for anyone wondering, he's the one I met in on the vacation.
Okay, I got a slight problem, okay?
Oh.
So I got my fund account on Take Profit Trader,
Yeah.
and I took the trade, right? I took it on TradingView. Am I supposed to take it on Tradeovate?
Were you logged in to Tradeovate on TradingView?
Yeah, I was logged in. Everything was logged in. I'm at like 51K right now.
Okay, so does your Tradeovate account just say like your Take Profit Pro account? Does it say your balance is 51K?
Let me go back on to it.
Because Take Profit Trader is weird. Like their website won't update until like 12 o'clock tonight.
I got you.
Like it takes a
Alright.
long time.
Let me. I'm sorry about.
No, not air. Go
Let
ahead.
me. Oh shoot. Let me figure this out. I'll get right back to you guys. I'm sorry about that. It's
Nice.
just,
Bro, yeah, and this is what this group's for.
thank you. All right. I don't know how to like log myself back out of it. Like I
Is
don't
there
know.
consistency?
Just kick me like from the. I don't know.
What's up, Jack?
Is there a consistency rule on Take Profits?
On the evals, but once you're on the pro accounts, bro, you can literally make whatever you want. Except there is like trailing drawdown though, I'm pretty sure. It's like daily trailing drawdown. So like you can kind of go for like that. Like what I want to do, I wish I knew how to like I wish I was this fast with it. But what would I want to do would be basically you blew yours already, bro. Gabe, that's literally what I do every time, dude. I try and size heavy to get the buffer, and then it just fucks me. So I'm no longer doing the buffers. I'm just gonna let it build up slowly over time. I'm just gonna let it build up because I've literally blown like 4 accounts doing that. But basically, once you pass like the eval, because you know there's like the 50% consistency rule on the eval. Once you're past, you can technically make whatever you want, and what I wish I could do was like somehow quickly like transfer over to my take profit account and like get rid of my limit order and just like let them run a little bit longer. In this case, like there's nowhere I really wanted it to run, but like obviously, I mean, you guys have seen like there's times where the piece of the pie you can catch a lot bigger moves, and that's where I wish I could like somehow just catch like the 750 on the Apex accounts and then just go to my take profit and just keep letting them run. But yeah, basically, bro, you could literally make 10K in a day and pull it out that day.
Ridiculous. That's what happened to me. I passed it, and then I threw like 2 cons in.
Type shit. What's it called?
On my starter, is there only one contract size limit?
I don't even know, to be honest with you.
I
Gabe knows more about my funded than I do, to be honest with you. But I am gonna start. I'm probably gonna get some like expert accounts with my funded futures soon, just because I know those are like the best out of the plans.
Okay, so like, yeah, oh sorry.
Oh, go ahead.
I got like okay, so I do have 51K on here. So it's like I literally have like this. I made 1,500 on this trade.
Uh-huh.
But like it's on there. I mean like
Dang,
it's
that's
like,
a
it
bang.
shows.
Then yeah, that's a banger. You're straight, bro.
Bro, but like it says 0 trades on Take Profit Trader. I don't know.
Yeah, you just gotta. The dashboard is just gonna take a long time. So like literally tomorrow morning you can check and it'll say you've made whatever you made.
Valid. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or like
Perfect.
if you're up at like 1 a.m. tonight, you can check it and it'll be there.
Yeah.
Wait, so can you pull that day of?
Well,
That
okay,
15
so if you're on the pro account or the pro plus, you can pull that money, but if you're on just the regular pro account, you got to build the buffer. And I don't know how the pro plus works, like if you immediately pull out that 1,500, if now you only have like
Bro, first day get 3K. First day take it. Bro, plus
Gabe, do you know like how the buffer works? Like, okay, if you pull out, like if you make 1,500, you can pull out the 1,500 immediately, but I don't know like if it then like if you then just lose your buffer or like you just lose your like drawdown, if that makes sense. Yeah, I don't really, to be honest, I'm just going with the pro accounts, just building the buffer, and basically what I'm going to do is just every winning day past the buffer, I'm just going to pull out immediately. But Gabe told me though, as soon as you pull out 5K, they move you to a live account.
Okay.
Which is
Ellie?
that's an L though, in my opinion. Like you can't really consistently be with them that long.
Yeah. Okay.
But yeah,
Wait.
obviously the live is better. But that does just kind of suck.
I think I'm on a test, right? I'm on a test right now. 'Cause I just started this. Like, am I on the test?
What do you mean? Like, are you on the past account or are you on the eval?
I'm on the eval, I think. Yeah, I just started the whole thing. I think I'm on an eval.
Okay, so
I'm
yeah,
trying
on the evals, don't make more than 1,500 in a day.
Yep, 50%. Because yeah, I know
Yep,
that.
and
yeah.
then basically just you got to do like 5. So okay, if you say you make 1,500 exactly today, you make 1,500 exactly tomorrow, you're perfectly at the $3,000, but you still
Yeah.
need to do like 3 more trading days. Essentially, what you can do is just an ASIS session. Basically just to get your trading days, literally just put in an order, hold it for 15 seconds with like 1 micro. You'll maybe either lose like $5 or win like $5, and basically just exit immediately, and then you'll be that'll just count as a trading day. Like you don't have to go in on like an actual position or anything.
Got you.
Yeah.
Got you. Okay.
You know, my Apex account that I've been getting payouts on is damn near cooked.
Oh
Really?
shit.
Yep.
Oh.
What's up, Rob?
I
Rob's
made $1,500 and 35. So I'm 35 over.
Low key, just go onto micros, and just
Mhm.
throw in like a couple micros and just hope you lose $35 basically.
Or you
Alright,
do a
bet, alright,
mini
bet,
like
bet.
stop loss like $20 and then plus fee
Alright.
it'll be like around.
So just
30.
lose $35 basically.
Yeah, basically just but don't go too crazy. Make sure you're not on minis.
Alright, got you.
Yeah.
So micros. Alright, thank you, man.
Yeah, of course.
No, Andrew.
Oh, I'm
Yesterday,
screwed.
Nah, yeah, you're straight.
yesterday 'cause it was no news Monday. I wanted to de-risk, so
Uh-huh.
I did 5 cons,
Okay.
thinking they were fucking micros, bro.
Oh no.
Oh no! And
What?
I have my thing set to ticks, like not money on the chart. So I'm like, all right, I'm down like 10 ticks, whatever, 5 micros. That's like $50.
Oh yeah,
or, like,
what is
5
5 minis?
Oh my gosh, dude! I lost like $1,900.
Alright, should I buy or sell right now to lose $5? I mean $35.
I couldn't tell you, to be honest with you. We're just chopping. Just go with
Yeah,
whatever. I would just sell, honestly, probably.
Alright, sell. $35.
Yeah, long live the Apex. It did me well, but
Hey, it happens,
still-
bro. It
No.
happens. I still do.
No.
I still have the first account I ever got paid out on. I still have.
no way.
Yeah,
No,
just-
I'm actually making money right now. No.
Rob, low key insider tip: 9 minis. That'll fix the problem.
Alright.
That'll get rid of all the profits.
Yep.
TikTok chat. No, I'm done for the day. That'll be it. Just one trade and I'm done, boys. That's all I need. I probably made like 15K right there. So, no need to take any more trades.
Every time I take a trade, I'm making money right now. I'm not even losing anything.
Gabe
Yeah,
said
is there
if-
gonna be a Is there gonna be a PPI candle tomorrow? Like,
Let's see.
what-
I don't know. PPI usually is not like that. It's not as big as CPI. Yeah, they really don't print as well, to be honest. You can still catch something, but usually it's like if it's even a big move, it's usually half the move of CPI most of the time. Like I don't think I've really ever seen a huge PPI candle.
I was expecting today to be like at least like 60, 70, 80, and it was 40. It was actually kind of small, I feel. for
Yeah, but I mean, even then, though, like when you get a move like this, bro, I feel like, dude, the news candles are just so good, bro, because they just like send displacement, and then I swear you can always, most of the time, you can always catch the reversal on news.
I usually use them as like high draws and liquidity.
NFP at the end of the month. Yeah, I mean, they're just like beautiful draws on liquidity. They're just amazing.
That's why I trade on high, like CPI.
Trading is a scam.
Who said that?
Someone in my TikTok chat. I'm just gonna show 'em my P&L.
Yeah, show me.
Is that
Let's go, guys!
scam?
I'm losing money.
That's 15K right there. So you tell me if trading's a scam.
Come on, leave on, please.
Yeah, they're missing out, unfortunately.
Come on.
What
We're
the
down
what
by
are the
Never
Apex
mind.
look like, Andrew?
No.
You said what?
What do the Apexes look like right now?
So this is my leader account. This is what I'm trying to build to like 100K. But these two, if I just get one more winning trade, max
Yeah,
payouts on both of these, and then I have like 5 accounts. These accounts are all the same. This one's gonna be close to a payout. These are
Yeah, if
like
you get
kind of all
2
the
more
same.
print days overall.
Yep, exactly. There's a lot of them that are all like 1,800 in profit, which is really nice because those are gonna be all really close to payouts. Where's the other one that's like super close? Oh, I guess. Wait, what? Where is it? Hold on. Wait, there's an Apex. It's at 2,700. Which one is that?
me a bullish S&T.
So besides those two, this is like my closest other one to a payout right here. So yeah, like 2 more days after that, that would be like 6 grand, and then but if I win another one, all of these accounts will basically be ready to go, which is pretty insane.
And then we're buying Porsche GT3.
Yeah, yeah. Then we're putting a down payment. Yeah, we're just slowly building.
Just get an S&T Jack.
Andrew, you have $60,000. You have $60,000, and you could buy it from Marketplace, a dealership, whatever. Where are you buying? 60 bands.
Bro, that's a hard question. 'Cause 60 bands can get you a lot of stuff. Honestly, bro, I think I would just buy like 2 cars with that. If I'm going cars, real estate, yes, would obviously be really
Real
nice,
estate,
but-
yeah. We're here to print money here, but let's just say we already got hella bandos, and we're here to buy 60,000.
60K, bro. Oof. Either I'd go like 2 cars and get like 2 classics that I could just work on, or I would maybe go for like a down payment on like a Turbo S or like a M3 easily. Not even a question. If I could,
that's one of mine.
yeah, if I could, bro, if I can get if you can get, I mean, bro, prices are kind of all over the place with cars right now, but you could easily get an M3 for around like 35, 40. Not like the G80s, but like you can get an F80 for a good bit.
I'd say M3, or a lot of people hate on what I'm about to say for some
Let's
reason,
hear
just because they're not like Mercedes guys, but
Okay.
AMG GT.
Yeah.
And then
Bro, you can
throw
get the AMG GTs for cheap now. They've like low key dropped hella in price.
50,000 miles, 2017 GTS, but get it for 50 bands.
That's ridiculous. Like that's like a supercar, bro.
No, you throw a wide body kit on that
Oh
thing
my
too,
goodness.
and oh my god.
I don't know why. I'm just like I love the AMGs. Like their interiors are undefeated, but it's like, bro, it's just something about the rear wheel drive and just drifting a BMW is just undefeated as well.
So, okay, Andrew,
What's up?
do you like European cars? Like more like.
Oh,
what are your
yeah.
favorite ones?
European
like
is
more-
the shit, dude. BMW's my favorite car
Yeah.
brand.
Wait, what is a BMW?
What is a BMW?
No, like, is your favorite car brand like BMW?
Oh yeah, without a doubt. I'm getting a little E36 soon.
That is nice.
I liked it.
Yeah, they're
What
gonna.
I want a car, not gonna lie, I don't know. I'm trying to get like a C6.
See-
I'm more American.
Jack was here in the OG times. I was literally full set on getting a C5. Like I was fully convinced I was gonna
C5?
buy a C5. Yeah, I like the older. I don't know. I like older cars to be honest.
I like C6s. I like them. That's the one paint matched
No,
headlight housing, right?
I think so.
I'm
Yeah.
trying to build mine to like. My goal is like to get like a 2,500 horsepower Corvette C6.
That'd be tough.
That's my goal.
Wait, 2,500 horsepower?
Yeah, horsepower. Yeah.
You're gonna need
Wait.
to build the
Holy
shit out of that thing.
I know. That's why I'm doing training.
Holy crap, 2,500.
Nah, but for
Dude, I don't even
real,
think you could drive that thing. At that point, you might as well
That's-
just get
I
the
know, that-
Viper.
I don't know. That's not the only reason I'm doing trading. Oh my god, let's go. We're actually losing money.
The crazy thing is, one of my best friends, he went to Georgia Southern with me.
Oh yeah.
His dad owns a company, like started a business, and basically it's like in all the foam and all the seats and like a Mastercraft Sea Ray, like all surf boats and stuff, his dad makes, so does pretty well off. So his dad has an SF90
Oh, damn.
Turbo S,
Ooh.
Z06 twin turbo C8.
I thought you were gonna stop at the SF90, bro. It just keeps going.
He took me on a ride in the Turbo S yesterday, and dude, that is like so much motivation just riding
Oh,
in that
dude.
thing. It's so insane.
Dude, yeah, I swear, when you ride in someone's fast car, it's like, all right, I need this. Like, it's not even.
I haven't been in the SF90 yet. He said
Oh
that
my
thing's
God.
like up in the 4-digit horsepower.
Jeez, dude.
Ridiculous.
Aston Martins are clean for him, yeah, I can't lie. Mike said the 2024 X5 M60 was a sleeper. I have heard there is like a X5 that has the G80 motor in it. It might be the M60, or I think it might be even like the M50. But like those things, bro, I saw someone build one, and like all you have to do is just throw a slight turbo on it, and it's pushing, or even just a tune, and it can push like 500, 600 horsepower.
Really?
Yeah, like they're sleepers. You can get them for cheap too.
Dang.
I do like the BMW SUVs, although I'd probably go with like a. See, that's where I would get an AMG. Like I'd get an AMG like SUV. That would be tough. Here's a 4.4 liter twin turbo making 530. Good lord. That's a Mike. If you got some pictures, I'd love to see it. Just like that, dude. It's so nice being done before like 10 o'clock. It's just amazing.
I have a brand new starter that I'm waiting to find like a W trade on.
Type shit.
Just like throw 3 minis in and pass in one trade.
Also, I was thinking about putting a Hellcat engine in my GMC 1500. What do y'all think?
Hell out of here.
What do y'all think? 2018 GMC Sierra with a Hellcat engine.
Hey, I
Or
say
LS.
why not, bro? Why not? It'd probably be a one-of-one build right there.
Stock transmission too, so.
Oh yeah, it's cooked.
it
Drivetrain is done for.
Nah. We should be alright. Should.
What about if I Hellcat swap the E36?
You know, that would be even better than the GMC swap.
Nah, people do LS swap them. And once that thing becomes a piece of junk, I probably would LS swap it.
I mean, I got in a GMC. I got I got a V8 in mine. My truck produces like 400 and like 5 horsepower,
It's pretty tough.
which is pretty good for stock, I think.
Yeah, it's definitely pretty good. Although, I mean, it is a truck, but still.
It is a truck, yeah. It's not like a car or anything. I mean, come on, please.
Dude, yeah, 60 grand, like, I don't even know. Dude, I'm, like, at that point, though, where it's, like, do I want to start saving my money to start making more money? Like, do I need to, like, I do want to get into real estate, without a doubt. Because I think once I get the E36, like, I don't really need another car for a while. Because I'm hoping I'll just build that thing and then just keep trading it for, like, better cars, kind of slowly work up. But I just don't really, like, I don't know. I do want to get into real estate. Okay, let's see this.
I got a appointment with my accountant here soon, and I'm basically just gonna be like, cause like he said something like, if you give me $100 a week until you're 40, into compounds and bonds and this, that, and the other, and prints it to the moon. So I'm gonna talk to him about that, but I'm also gonna talk to him about LLC options and stuff like that,
yeah.
because I'm not trying to pay out the ass taxes.
Yeah, I just picked up an LLC about a month ago. And Mike, that
Really?
thing sounds insane. Yeah, Andrew Trades LLC is in the works.
Hell yeah. So, I'll probably not talk about this on TikTok stream, but I'm sure that, like, gets you around some areas.
Yeah, I've been. Obviously, I'll definitely have to pay a good bit of taxes just because I don't really spend, like, a lot of money right now.
Yep.
So I can't really get too many write-offs, but I will be able to write off a good amount of things, just like rent. Little like electronic things that are quote unquote business expenses. If you do have an LLC or just like are looking to write things off, all your funded accounts can be written off. Those can all be business expenses.
That's what Gabe was saying.
Yeah, there's a lot of things. I do need to just kind of. My grandpa's an accountant as well, so I'm gonna sit down with him once tax season comes around and kind of just figure everything out.
But I mean, I guess I'm already in. Yeah, I mean, I already have to pay taxes. But once you start making money like you're making, then the taxes
Yeah.
just get worse.
Yeah, it's just a little ridiculous. But yeah, Section 8 real estate is the way to go. Yeah, I definitely wanna. I just need to figure something out. Dude, I was thinking about it. The way to go would be like buying a bunch of homes. Like, okay, the house I'm moving into next year, for college. Literally, they bought that thing for like 130K 5 years ago. Now it's worth like over 500K, but they're renting it out for 3,600 every single month. So it's like, but dude, they've already made an investment or like a return on their investment within 5 years on just selling the house. But then on top of what they're making money off of every like time selling it is like honestly pretty insane. Like, I feel like if you went to like the college real estate is like gotta be one of the best ways to go about it because you're guaranteed decent rent. And you'll probably make a return on your investment just because people are thinking the same exact thing.
Andrew, you're going back to school?
Nope. But I'll be living up there, though. I'm about to have so much free time on my hands. I'm like, all the boys about to be going to class, and I'll just be sitting in the house by myself, nothing to do.
Oh, you lucky bastard.
Is Tyler Budge about to be starting next year
You said what?
at Georgia Southern? What year was L's
Um,
quarterback last year?
Oh, I don't know. I only went to one game. I just went to the bars and watched Tennessee play football.
Fire.
But I'm transferring to Tennessee. I'm not going back.
Oh, really?
Yep. So
You're
I'm
heading out.
staying in. I'm staying
Nice,
in
bro.
Lawrence.
Is that gonna be? I'm assuming better for your tuition.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Yeah.
better for that. It's just gonna be, I'm gonna enjoy it.
I'm not really close with like too many people, but there's a lot of people from my high school that went to Tennessee.
It's not an easy school to get into, but as
Yeah.
a transfer,
I tried to get into there. I got denied.
same. Oh, for if I got tired, but then you come back as an in-state transfer. and
Yeah,
they're
I
like,
see. Yeah, Tennessee looks like a fun place to be, though. Can't lie.
I'm gonna room with one of my good buddies that I grew up
Okay,
with,
yeah.
and he's on I have a private store with like 5 of my buddies on Snap that I like post what I like my
Yeah.
trading updates and everything. And he's like been wanting to get into it but never took the time. Now that I'm gonna be living with the dude, there's no way he doesn't.
I
lock
mean,
in
dude,
on
I thought that too when I started having a bunch of success and nothing changed. Thought my brothers would
I don't-
eventually get into it. Nope.
I see someone printing cash like that, I'm gonna be like,
Yeah.
bro, teach me how to do this.
Some people are just like, they want to go after it. Some people just don't. They like see it, they think they want to go after it, but at the end of the day, they just make excuses. You know what I'm saying?
Or yeah, they know they either think it's like false crap even when they see the bank statements, or they don't want to take the 6 months to a year of time that's gonna be hell.
Okay, Mike, wait, that's really interesting. The Section 8 is basically guaranteed money from the government rather than people paying each month. That's
That's
interesting.
true.
Interesting.
How long did it take you to like? Are you profitable, Jack?
No, I'd say the definition of profitable is making consistent money for 6 months or more.
I would say
Uh,
you're there though, Jack. You're like on the iceberg. Like you're
I got
you're,
my first
you're super
payout.
close.
I am. I got my first payout in the first week of June, and I've gotten a $2,000 payout. Or I got a $500 payout. I got a 2K payout, and I got a 2K payout since like June 10th.
I mean,
So it's
that's
been a month.
4.5K in like what, a month and a half?
Yeah, a month.
Yeah, that's pretty good, bro. Like
Hey, but it only took 50 failed accounts to get there. So.
Damn, really?
I mean, bro, I can't tell you how many accounts I've gone through, so
I mean, like, I've been on paper trading for like 8 months, and now I'm actually confident and comfortable. I think I'm doing the fund account, and I actually just did pretty good today. I banked the trade.
Hell yeah, bro.
So
yeah, you
I mean,
got like a top tick. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I trade aggressively. I got like multiple strategies, but I traded aggressively today since it was CPI.
So-
I didn't start with paper trading. I just went straight in, ripping tops out the gas.
I got I got the fit on and everything, bro. Like,
Look at bro, he's got the goggles in the sun. Bro.
What the
yeah,
fuck?
well, I got the dollar bills here too. You know what I'm saying? So like,
Dude.
I'm all ready, bro.
Flexing on me, man.
I mean, dude, I honestly think I think both routes are good. Like, I think the paper trading route for a good bit is good, but at the same time, bro, if you just throw yourself into the eval loop of just like actual money, like you will kind of build those emotions like a lot quicker. If that makes sense. Like, I think 8 months is, if you really can paper trade for 8 months, that's pretty impressive. Like, you'll probably do pretty good. But at the same time, I feel like if you just throw yourself in straight into evals, like you're gonna go through, like you're gonna stress a shit ton. But at the same time, like it's gonna basically build those habits to like, okay, I already blew this money. I'm already used to the money. Like, let me just lock in. Like, I kind of went through. I don't know. Like, I would do when I first started. I'd go 3 months and then try an eval. Would fail the eval. Try 3 months again. Fail the eval. Try 3 months again. And then after the third 3 months is when I passed my first eval. But then I waited. Once I had those evals or had the funded accounts, I then took another 2 months off of after that to then just backtest even more, get even more right. And then from there, I was basically profitable, and that was kind of like the start of this year.
Okay.
So that was it's
This
kind of
is
like a
a-
hybrid, basically.
Yeah, I got you. But yeah, I kind of just like studied like mostly every night to get all these strategies down. So I mean, it's probably what you guys did too.
Yeah, bro
I-
studied.
I started in January with a different mentor for like 2 weeks, and he traded supply and demand, and I was just like, I
Not gonna
I
lie,
just
like,
I couldn't
you-
trade it because it was just like
Yeah.
too slow for me. Like you're waiting for price to bounce on. I mean, it is just liquidity levels in a sense.
Yeah.
It is kind of how we trade. But I was just like, and then I saw Andrew's video banging with his mom's, telling her that he has a horrible GPA.
Bro, someone commented in this comment or a tough comment. They were like, bro's now making 10K a month. He can shut his mom up. And I was like, damn. Or 10K a day, sorry. It's like, yeah, it's kind of
10K.
crazy.
You're right, not 10K a month.
Yeah.
No, this is a picture. Hold up.
No, but like, dude, it's so true though. Like, you can trade supply and demand, but then you can get like a lot deeper into supply and demand. Like, you can then from the supply and demand levels, then you can validate it with inverse fair value gaps, normal fair value gaps, change state deliveries, order blocks, like so many other things that then you can go deeper within supply and demand. Like, there's so much more into it than just like, oh, okay, it's tapping into a level I'm entering. Like, you might as well try and then look for the full confirmation.
Honestly, I haven't even touched, or not touched. I haven't even used change of state that much recently. Honestly,
Really?
like I've been like sweep liquidity inverse, looking at the 2, 3, and 5. I mean, I haven't really taken a 1 minute inverse in a long time. It's been
Yeah.
like the 2, 3, 5 minutes, just sweep liquidity, take a trade.
Yeah.
Change of state was so valid though, and I would rock that a lot.
It is, in my opinion, it's one of the best confluences you can have. Like, if it's paired properly, like when you pair it with the fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, order blocks, liquidity sweeps, like if you pair it with everything, like it can get a little dirty, bro. But like there are so many like change the deliveries that can like straight fuck you that are like just traps. So it's like you kind of gotta be careful. But like once you know the exact change the delivery you're looking for, it's just money.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. So like, what I use for like my strategy, so like, I have TGR's bootcamp, like his like first one, then his like second one, and then I got, you know who CRV Trades is?
Yup.
That was yeah.
I have his strategy down for some reason. I got his, and I got another strategy, and then I got Casper SMC strategy down.
Oh yeah, Casper. I had known about him a little bit ago, but I sent one of his reels in the chat earlier, and the way he finds daily bias is basically the exact same way I find daily bias.
Yep, exactly, same as me.
Yeah.
What's
and also-
what's CRV strategy?
Y'all know who Aval is?
Aval? Yeah.
Aval, bro. Okay. This is like probably like 2-3 months ago. I was probably like the second to last person I was gonna join in like his thing, but like, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of like broke, so I couldn't afford a $4,000 mentorship. So I was like, okay, yeah.
Understandable.
You wonder how bro has a C8.
Yeah, yeah. So I was like, yeah, man, I can't do it. But like, I'm good now. I mean, you saw this trade that I just took. I mean,
Yeah. I think the best thing though is also just like not strategy hopping though too. Like, I think it is
Yeah.
good to kind of collect information from a bunch of people, but like at the same time you should like collect that information, kind of use it in like your own way if that makes sense. Like,
exactly.
I don't know. That's kind of how. Yeah, that's kind of how I went about it.
Just like combining everything that you learned and put it into your own style of it. That's how
Yeah.
I did it.
Dude, I swear, like I had everything I needed, and then I found out about inverse fair value gaps, and that was literally it. Like that was
Yeah.
all I needed, and then my trading was like profitable from then.
You know what was like the click for me though? Like, it was okay. When I started like really becoming profitable, bro, it was like literally the manipulation and displacement through either like confluences or liquidity pools. That was it. Like manipulation and displacement. That was my click.
Yeah,
As soon as I
bro.
figured that out,
Yes.
bro. As soon as I figured that out, it was wraps.
Yeah. Yeah, looking in the market and in terms of manipulation is so insane. Like, I mean, you can literally take that all the way out. Like, bro, on the daily time frame, you can literally see when Trump came out with the tariffs and all that shit was coming. Like, bro, you can literally see the accumulation, manipulation to all the way down to 16,682, and then street distribution since then. It's actually ridiculous. Alright, boys, I'm probably gonna hop on off. Go go about my day. Edit this
Alright.
video and everything.
Oh, I just want to give a shout out to this book real quick. I think y'all should maybe read it. Like if you're struggling with psychology.
To be honest, I've only read like 2 pages of a trading book ever, and that's about it.
I love reading too, so I got this too. This is really good.
Trading in the Zone. I stole this book from the library. Hold on, I'll show it right now.
Sorry for the
This book is stolen from the UC library, so UC don't come after me. But it's called. I can't really turn on my mic or turn on my camera here, but everyone can see it on TikTok chat. It's called The Psychology of Trading by Steen Barger.
Okay.
If you guys can see that.
out.
Yeah, it was really good. The first couple pages, because it's not like it's by Brett and Steen Barger.
Okay. Yeah, I just figured I'd say shout out those like the book I just showed you because I get helped me with like psychology.
The first page I turned to, the title of it is "The Big Man Beneath the Bed."
Yeah, but yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. That's just a little shout out to the books.
To be honest with you, you can find like the Mark Douglas Trading in the Zone. TJR actually just talked about it, and I had watched these videos a while back. Mark Douglas has like a 6-hour like seminar basically where he kind of goes over everything in Trading in the Zone. It's like 6 episodes of like, and they're all an hour each, but they are amazing videos to watch. I highly recommend them. I can send them to the exclusive group some point today.
If you can do that, that'd be awesome if you can do that.
Yeah.
Later. Not busy.
But yeah, those are amazing. There's a lot of like clips that you've seen probably in like the trading feed that are from those videos of Mark Douglas just yapping. But the thing of this about Mark Douglas is that book, that was like the ultimate course seller back in the day, because he literally quit trading just to become a consultant. Like he literally just quit trading, like, and basically just got into selling books and doing seminars, and that's where he made a lot of his money. So it is kind of like, I am a little skeptical. Like he knows what he's talking about. But it is just kind of funny, like that was the OG course selling back in the day.
But yeah, that's pretty cool. Also, I took another trade today. Not gonna lie, I run like 10:02 on Nasdaq. Could took a trade there too. And long, nice cheeky little long there. Good and solid.
All right, boys. I'm probably about to head on out.
Yeah, sorry for keeping you like, yeah.
No, don't worry about it, brother.
Sorry about that. All right, see you later.
All right, deuces, boys. Everyone stay safe today.
Yep, you too. Bye.
Deuces stream.